In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Constant Contact. Personalizing your emails is one of the easiest ways to make your messages feel more human and relevant. And Constant Contact gives you built-in tools to do this without any coding. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently add things like a personalized greeting to your campaigns. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. Click on the section labeled Channels to expand it. When that opens, select Emails. This will take you to your list of email campaigns where you can see all of the messages you've created or are currently working on. Next, find the specific email you want to personalize. You might scroll through the list or use any filters or search options you have available, depending on how many campaigns you've created. Once you've located the right email, look over to the right side of that email's row and click on Edit. This will open the email in the editor, where you can change content, design, and of course, add personalization. Inside the email editor, identify the text block where you want to add your personalized content. If you already have a text block for your greeting or introduction, click directly on that block to activate it. If you don't have one yet, add a new text block to the layout and click into it so you can start editing. When the text block is selected, a text toolbar will appear at the top of the editor. Look toward the right side of that toolbar for an option called Insert. Click on Insert and you'll see a drop-down menu with different personalization options such as greeting tags, contact details, or account details. For this example, choose the greeting tag option. A pop-up window will appear where you can configure how this greeting should work. Start by choosing the personal greeting text, like hello or hi. Then, select which contact information you want to use, just the first name, first and last name together, or only the last name. Finally, set a default greeting that will be used when a contact's name isn't available, such as hello there. Once everything looks good, click Insert. Your personalized greeting tag will now appear in the text block, ready to be sent to your audience.